Welcome to video number 11 of the EnviroStore training series. In this video, we'll go over the community involvement screen, which is used during public review periods. As a default, EnviroStore only shows the final versions of deliverable and regulatory activity documents to the public. The community involvement screen allows the project manager to upload draft versions of documents, which are then viewable by the public on the public side of EnviroStore during public comment periods. After going over the community involvement screen, we'll explore the public side of EnviroStore and go over what's available to the public on your projects. To begin, start from the Activities Report screen and go back up to the drop-down box in the upper left corner and find the Community Involvement tab and click on it. You'll be taken to the Community Involvement screen where you can upload the documents you want to make available during a community review period. Go to the Upload a Community Involvement Document section to begin the process of uploading a community involvement document. There will be a drop-down box above the document type box labeled OU/site name if operable units or areas have been assigned for your project. Select the appropriate operable unit or area or choose project-wide from the drop-down box for the document you want to upload. If no operable units or areas are assigned, this box will not be displayed. Choose the type of document you will be uploading from the drop-down menu. Enter the date of the document and the title in the provided boxes. Drag and drop the file you want to upload into the green field. Note that you can drag multiple files at a time if uploading multiple files if they are less than 100 megabytes in size. Only those files with file sizes less than 100 megabytes will be uploaded. Those larger than 100 megabytes will not be uploaded. When files are dragged into the green box, the files will list below it, under the Pending Documents section, and you will need to enter a file description tag. Click the Save/Complete this upload button once the updating is complete, and the system will take you back to the uploaded deliverable or regulatory action documents screen. You will see all the documents that have been uploaded under the Community Involvement Documents heading. You can also view existing documents or edit existing document information. To view an existing document, simply click on the blue hyperlink text next to the document you want to view. You will be taken to the screen where you can click on the blue text under the file name heading and view the document. Note that you can also delete the uploaded documents from this screen as well. Draft documents should be deleted from the Community Involvement screen after your public comment period is over or after a document is finalized. If you need to edit information on existing uploaded documents, click on the blue hyperlink text that says Edit these records. You can edit the title, type, and date of the uploaded document. Be sure to click the Save Changes button before leaving this screen. Now we'll take a look at the side of EnviroStore that the public has access to. It's a good idea to check this side of the database every now and again to see just what the public can see on your projects. There are a number of ways to get to the public side, but we'll discuss two of them. One method is to simply click the hyperlink that's available on the initial EnviroStore page. This will take you to the home screen of the public EnviroStore. To find your project, begin typing the name or EnviroStore number of your project into the search field. The database will begin to provide the projects that match the name or numbers as you type. When you see your project, click on it. An even easier method to access the public side of EnviroStore is available on any of the EnviroStore screens when you're in the database. Near the upper left corner of every screen, you'll see a Public Profile Report hyperlink. Click on it, and you'll be taken directly to the public side of EnviroStore for that project. Using either method will take you to the public home screen of your project. There are several fields and tabs associated with the home screen, and we'll go over each of those. At the top, you'll see some general information on your project, including the project name and address, and the names of the DTSC project manager and supervisor. Below this is the site information field that contains the cleanup status, site type, whether or not the site is on the national priorities list, size of the site, assessor parcel numbers, oversight agencies involved with the site, EnviroStore number, site code, program, funding source, and the assembly and senate districts of the site. Next is the regulatory profile field. This includes the past use of the site that caused the contamination, types of contaminants at the site, and the media affected. The last field is a site history field. All the information provided in these various fields is pulled from the DTSC side of the database. If you see something that's incorrect on this screen, you'll need to go back to the DTSC side to fix it. The last part of this screen we'll talk about is the area that contains the various information tabs. The project home screen is the summary tab. The other tabs available for review include activities, community involvement, site facilities docs, map, related sites, and Cal Enviro screen. We'll take a quick look at each of these. The Activities tab shows the current and scheduled activities as well as all the activities that have been completed to date. The Community Involvement tab is where you'll find the documents that have been uploaded for public review. The public can click on the blue text to open a link that contains the document. If more than one document is associated with the link, it will open up like a folder and provide a list of the documents. The Site Facilities tab lists all of the final versions of documents available to the public. Again, the public can click on any of the blue links to review the documents, and if there are multiple documents, they will be listed. The Subareas tab will show any operable units or subsites that are associated with your project. The Map tab provides various maps showing the location of the project site. The Related Sites tab will list any sites that are related to the subject site, including those that are on GeoTracker, which is the Water Board's database. The Cal Enviro Screen tab will display information related to the site's Cal Enviro Screen score. There are other search functions available at the top of every project home screen. These are generally different search functions for the public side of EnviroStore, or they provide links to tutorials that the public can access to learn about the database and how to use it more efficiently. Since these functions are not project-specific, we won't go into them in this video. But you are encouraged to explore them on your own to gain a better understanding of what the public can view and how they can use the database. Thank you for watching video number 11 of the EnviroStore training series. If you need additional training on this aspect of EnviroStore, please go to the Site Mitigation and Restoration Program, or SMRP, homepage on DTSC's SharePoint and click on the eStore Training and Tutorials quick link.